If you're coming into Medicare and you've decided to stay with original Medicare Part A and Part B, which I absolutely recommend, so you're not going to go into a Medicare Advantage plan, you're going to stay on original Medicare with A and B, you're likely going to have a Medicare supplement plan that covers the things that A and B do not, which is a terrific way to go. I'm going to show you right now how to use that and how it works in a doctor's office, because sometimes it's a little confusing when you haven't used it before. You want to know how things are going to go. And I'm Keith Armbrecht, founder of Medicare on Video. I help people across the country make the right Medicare choices. I can absolutely help you as well. I'd appreciate it if you allow me to help you. That's what we do. We put you in the right place right from the beginning so that things go as smoothly as possible when you need to use your Medicare. And right now we're going to talk about how to use your Medicare supplement plan when it comes time to go to the doctor. What happens? How does it work? Pretty simple, and that's the best part about it, is it's very easy. If I were doing this video on how to use your Medicare Advantage plan, it's much more complicated and much more gray when you go to use it. So with original Medicare and a Medicare supplement, pretty easy. When you sign up for Medicare Part A and Part B, which you do either when you're turning 65 or when you retire after age 65 and you come off your group plan, that's when you want to initiate your Medicare Part B. Usually Part A will go along at the same time. But when you sign up for Part A and Part B, you'll get this, a Medicare card. It'll come to you in the mail. It'll have the date that your Part A started, the date that your Part B started. So very important to have this and keep it in a safe place, because you will be using this when you go for medical services. So if you have a Medicare supplement plan to cover the gaps in A and B, you're going to have one of these. This is a Medicare supplement ID card, which you will also want to have together with your Medicare card when you go to the doctor. Now, when you do go to the doctor, pretty simple. Number one, you want to be clear that you are on original Medicare. So sometimes a doctor's office, the folks up front, don't always understand the differences between being on original Medicare or being on a Medicare Advantage plan. So with original Medicare, there are no networks. You don't have any restrictions on what doctor or hospital you can use. As long as they accept original Medicare, you can go. You don't even need a referral from a primary to go. And again, sometimes the front office staff isn't completely up to date on exactly what they need to know, so you need to be clear. But most of the time they know exactly what we're talking about. So you're on original Medicare. You can go to any doctor, any hospital, anywhere in the country that accepts Medicare. The only doctor really that you couldn't go see is one that works specifically for a Medicare Advantage plan. In other words, the Medicare Advantage plan owns that doctor's practice. Now, I don't really care to go to a doctor that is paid by an insurance company. That's a completely different story. So original Medicare, completely independent. They're contracted to accept payment from Medicare. Very easy to do. So when you go to the doctor's office, you give them your Medicare card. You also give them your supplement card. Now, the other nice thing about how Medicare has this set up is if they accept original Medicare, which again, the majority absolutely do, they have to accept your Medicare supplement plan. Doesn't make any difference what insurance carrier your supplement plan is with, they have to accept it. So what makes it work like this is when the doctor does their billing, they send their entire bill to Medicare. Medicare pays what they pay, and then they send it to the supplement company. So the doctor's office does not have any interaction whatsoever with the Medicare supplement company, regardless of which insurance carrier that you have for your Plan G or your Plan N or whatever it may be. So very simple to use. And again, sometimes front office staff doesn't know this. Billing generally absolutely knows it. So I did have one gentleman call me not long ago that said, my doctor won't take my plan. And I called the doctor's office and talked to somebody in billing, and they said, oh, absolutely, of course. We thought he was on an HMO, which this is not an HMO. So understanding the difference between original Medicare with a supplement, it's not Medicare Advantage. It's not an HMO. It's not a PPO. It is original Medicare. with a supplement. So sometimes we have to know more than they know just to make sure it runs smoothly. But 99 times out of 100, very simple and easy to use. So when you do go, you have your Medicare, your supplement, you give it to them. If you have Plan G, the only thing you're going to be responsible for the entire year is the Medicare Part B deductible. So it's generally going to be less than $300 for the entire year from your out-of-pocket standpoint. So also need to understand our benefits, because again, sometimes doctors' offices will send bills that they shouldn't be sending, and we need to know that we have met our deductible, and pretty easy to do, and Medicare will show it on their site. But such a small out-of-pocket, it's pretty easy to understand when you've met that deductible. Now, if you're on Plan M, you also have that Part B deductible, a very small deductible, and then you have up to a $20 copay when you go to an office visit. And it's absolutely up to, I've seen many that are less than, might be $13, might be $11 from a copay standpoint, depends on the doctor's office. But that's it. There are no other insurance parts that you're going to pay when you go to the doctor. So it's pretty simple and pretty easy to use. So if you want ease and simplicity and does what it's supposed to do, Medicare Original is absolutely what I would choose hands down anytime. And I would make it work one way or the other. And we can find the right supplement to go with it to keep the cost as low as possible and to keep the out-of-pocket costs really near minimal, so that when it comes time to use it, really easy to do. So understand, when you go to the doctor, Medicare card, supplement card, they have to take the supplement. There's no questions whatsoever. The insurance carrier doesn't matter, because the doctor's office bills Medicare, and it's just really seamless. There's really not much to understand past that, because it works. And the doctor's office, the ones that know what they're doing, are happy to see you, because they know they're going to get paid, and they're going to get paid easily, and there's not a bunch of hoops to jump through. So I hope this helps you understand how Medicare supplements work when you go to the doctor. If you have any questions, give us a call, and we'd certainly be happy to set things up for you. That's what we do. There's no cost to you to allow us to help you, completely free. Whatever insurance carrier we do choose, they pay me to be your service agent now and in the future. So certainly happy to do it. That's how we make our living. And we're there when you need us now and in the future. If you stay tuned right now, I'll show you how to download my free book, Medicare Made Clear. Will also be very helpful to you going down the road into Medicare. Hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you found it very helpful. A couple of other things that you'll also find very helpful. Number one, download a copy of my free book, Medicare Made Clear. I spent a lot of time and a lot of effort putting this together, and it has everything that you need for Medicare now and in the future, down the road. I have videos in the book. I have all the links that you need for things that you'll want to do within Medicare. You can access it right in the book. Very easy to do. Just visit medicareonvideo.com/free book. And you can download it for free. You can save it on your computer. You can save it on your iPad. It's a great resource to have, again, for now and in the future. Another thing that you'll find helpful is down the road, when you come into Medicare, sometimes it makes sense to do a price check on your Medicare supplement plan. So I made it very easy to do that as well. Just visit medicarepricecheck.com, put in your basic information, and we'll email you a quote on your same plan that you have right now, a G or an N or an F, whatever it may be, and likely we'll be able to save $20 to $60 a month in premium, because a lot of times plans come out with better rates. So if we can get a better rate for the same plan that we currently have, just makes a lot of sense. And then obviously take advantage of all the information on my website at medicareonvideo.com. I have everything that you need right there for understanding IRMA, understanding employer work coverage, everything that you need, especially in the guides and forms section, you'll find right there. So we update everything every year, so everything should be up to date and current with the right deductibles and premiums and things like that. Hope you found all this helpful. Have a fantastic day. Wait, don't go anywhere. There's a couple more videos right here that you'll find very helpful with your Medicare journey. So take just a minute, watch the videos. You can also subscribe to my channel by clicking this button, and that way you'll have access to all my videos for everything that you need for Medicare. Hope you find it helpful. Have a fantastic day.